Have you ever thought about freelancing as a student? It can provide you with flexibility, real-world experience, and skill enhancement. Just imagine, you can work at your own pace, in your own space, and at any time that suits you best. Yes, that's the beauty of freelancing. It offers you the flexibility to mold your work schedule around your academic commitments. This means you can earn while you learn without compromising your studies. Now, let's talk about the real-world experience. Freelancing isn't just about earning money. It also provides you with hands-on experience in your chosen field. Whether you're into graphic design, content creation, coding, or any other skill, freelancing allows you to apply what you've learned in a practical setting. This experience can be a real game changer when you start looking for full-time job opportunities post-graduation. And what about skill enhancement? With each freelance gig, you get a chance to refine your skills and learn new ones. The more projects you take on, the more versatile and proficient you become. Plus, all this work contributes to building a solid portfolio that can showcase your abilities and achievements to future employers. So, freelancing as a student can provide you with a wealth of benefits. But where can you find these opportunities? Stick around as we explore some popular freelance platforms in the next segment. Now that you're considering freelancing, you might be wondering where to find these opportunities. There are several popular platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Upwork is a fantastic platform that caters to a vast array of job categories. Whether you're a writer, a graphic designer, or a software developer, you'll find countless opportunities to put your skills to work and earn some income. It's also a great place to network with professionals from all over the world, opening doors to exciting collaborations and future prospects. Next up, we have Fiverr. Unlike Upwork, Fiverr adopts a gig-based model, allowing you to showcase your unique skills and talents. Are you a whiz at logo design? Or perhaps you've got a knack for voiceovers? Whatever it is, Fiverr lets you create a gig for it. The platform's unique model makes it a great place for students to experiment with their skills and find their niche. Last but not least, we have Freelancer. Similar to Upwork, Freelancer offers a wide range of job categories. What sets it apart is its contest feature, where clients post a project, and freelancers submit their work in hopes of being chosen. It's a great way to test your skills against other freelancers and get your foot in the door. Once you've chosen a platform, the next step is to create a compelling profile and start applying for jobs. Navigating freelance platforms can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Now, the first step in your freelancing journey is to create a compelling profile. This is your chance to shine and show potential clients what you've got. Highlight your skills, experiences, and what makes you unique. Remember, your profile is your first impression, so make it count. Next, let's talk about proposals. When you apply for a job, you'll often need to write a proposal. This is your opportunity to sell yourself to the client. Be clear, concise, and persuasive. Explain why you're the best person for the job, how you plan to tackle it, and what the client can expect from your work. Tailor each proposal to the specific job. Generic proposals are easy to spot and often get overlooked. Lastly, let's discuss pricing. This can be a challenging aspect for many new freelancers. You want to be competitive, but you also need to ensure you're getting paid what you're worth. Research the market rates for your skills and consider your level of experience. It's okay to start on the lower end, but don't undervalue your work. As you gain more experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates. Now that you've set up your profile and know how to write proposals, let's explore some of the jobs you can do as a student freelancer. There are many freelance jobs that are well suited for students. Some of these include writing, graphic design, programming, and virtual assistants. First, let's delve into the opportunities in writing. This could be anything from creating engaging blog posts, crafting compelling website content, to penning catchy ad copy. If you have a way with words, writing could be a great avenue to explore. Next up, we have graphic design. In our increasingly visual world, there's a high demand for professionals who can create eye-catching logos, social media graphics, and more. If you have a knack for visual aesthetics and know your way around design software, graphic design could be your calling. Onto the tech side, programming. This is a broad field with numerous niches. You could specialize in website development, creating mobile apps, or even game development. If you're a tech whiz and enjoy problem solving, programming could be a fantastic fit. Lastly, let's talk about virtual assistants. This role involves providing administrative support to businesses remotely. Tasks could include scheduling, email management, or social media management. If you're organized and have excellent communication skills, consider becoming a virtual assistant. These are just a few of the many opportunities available to you as a student freelancer. Now, let's cover some tips to help you succeed. Success in freelancing requires more than just skills. You also need to manage your time well, build a strong portfolio, and network within the freelance community. Let's start with time management. It's crucial to learn how to balance freelancing with academic responsibilities. This means setting a schedule that allows you to meet deadlines without compromising your studies. Next, building a portfolio. Your portfolio is your showcase, your opportunity to impress potential clients with your best work. So, put in the time and effort to make it stand out. Lastly, networking. Relationships matter in the freelance world. Connect with others in your field, join online communities, attend events, share your work, and always be open to opportunities. Remember, freelancing is not just a job, it's a journey of growth and discovery. So, have you tried freelancing as a student? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on navigating student life.